Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
I just installed a new ceiling light in our baby girl's room and it is perfect. Her room is really small and so a full-size ceiling fan kind of looked silly. But this light is so sleek. It was easy to install. It comes with nice things that make it easy, like these wire connectors. It also has an S-hook that you can hang up, so while you're attaching everything, it stays in place and you're not awkwardly holding it. It just has a really nice sleek look. The light is really bright despite it looking like it's really small. It has made her room so much brighter. The blades kind of look like they have a dark tint to them, but when they are on, you do not see them at all. It looks just like a circle light, which is really cool. It comes with a really nice remote, but it also has an app. And check this out, it's also smart. Hey Google, turn Calla's room light off.
Got it. Turn the light off.
Hey Google, turn Calla's room fan off.
Okay, turning smart fan off.
So this one we connected to our Google Home account, and so we can control this light from anywhere, which is really nice because if I want to adjust her fan at night when she's sleeping, I can do that without having to wake her up. All in all, I love this light. It is very sleek looking. I like that it is smaller than a regular ceiling fan, yet it is just as powerful. And that's my point of view.